Hi guys, good morning. Welcome sa a day in my life as an architect na alipin ang salapi. Okay? Well, umalis tayo kanina around 7:20 at papunta tayo ng Rockwell. Doon tayo dadaan kasi hindi masyadong traffic doon. Okay ba? Early natin, 7:55 pa lang. That's very rare na nangyayari sa atin. So, make time in muna tayo. Ayan. Okay. Sobrang aga, wala pang tao. Tayo pa lang ngayon ang nandito sa ating office. Okay ba? Ito ang ating area. Yes. Ang ating working space. Bagong lahat, mag-breakfast muna tayo. So, meron tayong coffee and baguette. Yan ang ating breakfast for today. Hi guys. So, we're going to Quezon with my driver. Gisamin. Sedong Pao. Okay? So, where are we going, sir?
We don't know.
We're going to Quezon?
Yes.
What are we going to do there?
We just meet demolition team.
Okay, so we're going to meet our demolition team. Okay, so watch out. It's traffic here. Ito na lang dito si Sedon. Sobrang sarap. Sorry, you sing. You sing.
No.
You sing na.
I know what.
Mahihain yung bata natin dito. Ayun o.
No, I don't know this song.
Mag-lunch muna tayo ng masarap.
They are not allowed to take a picture.
Okay guys, we're done with 2 meetings and 1 more to go. Where are we going next?
Moving to Manila.
What are we going to do there?
Inspection.
Yes, we're going to have an inspection in Robinsons, Manila. Okay? Before that, let's have some coffee. What is this coffee? This is coffee. Oh, there's no name. No name, just this brand. If you know the brand, comment down below. Okay. Done with our meeting for today. Time check, it's already 4:03, right? So how's your day, Mr. Pop?
Not good.
Not good? Oh no. Why not good?
So hard.
So hard?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's very hard doing work. So maybe we should not work. Okay? Finally, we're here. Dating din sa office. Time check, it's 4:51. Right?
Yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
Not good.
Not good. Still not good? Oh no. Guys, magpapawis muna tayo bago tayo mauwi. Laro muna tayo ng tennis. Okay? Ayan, uwi na tayo. Time check, it's 6:51. So pagdating natin ng bahay, magluluto tayo ng dinner and by 9 PM susunduin natin sa work ang ating napakagandang asawa. Okay, so let's go! Let's go everyone! Ayan guys, nakaluto na tayo ng rice at ang ating ulam for tonight ay napakasarap na hipon. Okay? After magluto, magpapahinga lang tayo ng konti at magsusundo pa tayo. Okay? So, see you later. Ito muna tayo. Antay-antay saglit. Pababa na daw ang aking napakagandang asawa. Ayan. Antay-antay lang muna tayo. Ayan na ang aking magandang asawa. Ano siya? Malakad na siya dyan. Diba? Dilo ka sa aking vlog.
Vlog.
A day in my life.
A day in your life as taga-sundo.
Yeah.
I'm so tired. Hi.
Okay, time check. It's 10:30. So kakarating lang namin ng bahay. At magdi-dinner na tayo. After mag-dinner, maglilinis at maliligo at matutulog na. Okay? So, dyan nagtatapos ang ating a day in a life. Kung gusto nyo pang malaman yung iba mangyayari sa mga susunod, yeah, dyan lang kayo. Huwag kayong aalis. Okay? See you again next time.